Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update drivers on your Alienware Aurora 16 the right way. So first of all, we're gonna need to download and install two separate applications. One is from Dell, the other one is from NVIDIA if you are using the NVIDIA graphics card. Both applications are very easy to install. Now the one is called Dell SupportAssist. You can easily find it on the official support Dell website, or even in Microsoft Store. But if you can find it in Microsoft Store, you can download it from here. Just make sure to select Support Assist for home PCs and click Download Support Assist, and wait until this installer is downloaded, run it, and it will automatically install the program on your computer. The next thing that you're gonna be needing is NVIDIA app, so that we can get the latest graphics driver, which are not updated as oftenly on Dell website. Let's just go to the NVIDIA website, find NVIDIA app here, download this app, and after that run this installer too. So both installers are very easy to install. You don't have to choose practically anything during the installation. And now the first app that we're gonna need to open is the Dell SupportAssist. So run this program. It will automatically detect your laptop. And here you're gonna need to click Update Software. Click Start and let your laptop check for updates. Once the check is finished, you will see all the software updates. Hit the check boxes next to the ones that you haven't installed and click Download, then wait until the downloading and installation are complete. And once they are, you'll have to restart your computer to apply changes. After that, go to NVIDIA application, select graphics on the sidebar, drivers on the sidebar, and click install in the top right corner of the latest game ready driver. This way you will update your graphics driver, and after that you'll be ready to start gaming on your PC. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.